Do you want to learn how to create a clothing brand logo using AI for free? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to ideogram.ai, and then inside here, under the what will you create, type in create a clothing brand logo for, and then you can insert your company name. Make sure that under it, you need to select design. Now, if you don't know what your clothing brand name is, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it for a name for your clothing brand. Like I typed in, give me a list of 20 names for my clothing brand, no jargon, active voice, and make it unique. Now here, it gave me 20 unique name ideas for the clothing brand. You can choose either of them. Make sure that they are available as a domain. Let's say I choose True Roots and I copy it and go back here in ideogram, and instead of the star, I paste it over here. Now, make sure to select design, and on the right hand side, you will find that it uses 2 credits generated. Now in the top bar, you will find this My Images icon. Click on it, and then you will be taken over here where you will see that it's loading and it's in queue. It's a little slower if you use the free version, but if you want a faster queue, you can upgrade it by clicking on this button and upgrading it. Now you can see that our logo has been generated, and whichever one you like, you can choose them or you can generate it again, but it gives you a wait time. So it's saying like wait 100 seconds. So you need to wait for that period of time, and then you can generate it again. If you do not want to wait and you want to skip it, you need to upgrade the plan. Now, for example, you like this logo. I'm going to take this and I can go inside it. And on the top right corner, I will see these 3 buttons. Click it and you will have this drop down. You need to download this as a JPEG, which is available for us. And then once downloaded, go over to adobe.com/in/express. I'll give the link in the description. This is PNG to SVG converter. This is needed if you want to convert your PNG file onto a vector file. So I will upload the photo from here. It will ask me to drag and drop an image here. So I'm going to just take that image, drag and drop it, and your SVG is ready to download. So I'm just going to download it from here. And now your SVG of your clothing brand is downloaded to your computer. So this is how you can create a clothing brand logo for free using AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.